Hi there, my name is Josh. I'm one of the energy assessors here at ATSPACE, and the question that I'm going to answer in this video is, why do I need to have an SBEM? So just so we remember, SBEM stands for Simplified Building Energy Model. The reason why you need to have an SBEM is because the SBEM is the gateway to you receiving your EPC certificate. And an EPC certificate is needed upon completion of construction so you can sell or lease that property. But the real reason why you need an SBEM is because we need to make sure that the commercial building doesn't emit over a certain amount of CO2 per year, and also that the energy requirement of that building is below a certain amount. So the way that we check that the emissions don't exceed a certain level is by looking at the fabric build-ups of the property, making sure that the roof, floor and wall build-ups don't exceed certain U values. We also make sure that the systems that you're proposing to install meet the minimum efficiency requirements. So for instance, that could be your boiler having to achieve an efficiency of upwards of 88%. Once we gather all of this data, we can then work out whether you are compliant or not. And upon completion of our SBEM assessment, we then produce you the EPC, which means that you've completed your build. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like me to answer any more of your questions, then visit the Knowledge Hub, and always remember to like and subscribe.